everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and submit your questions. Again, subscribe. Notice I didn't say my YouTube channel because it's actually not my channel. This channel is called Bat Collab. Bat Collab is a consultant company that has been in business for over 30 years. We decided to do a channel because we have helped a lot of people succeeded, and we got a lot of questions this year and said, hey, you know what? Let's do a channel so we can go ahead and share everything with more people. So let's go. Now, one of the biggest questions we got was, what's the best type of business to start in 2022 if you want to become a millionaire? I know this sounds cliche, but it's not. There's a different business type. And I don't mean like LLC, corporation, S Corp, and stuff like that. No. It's what type of business you must get into in 2022 to become a millionaire. Now, it's time to make sure that this year business resolution is accomplished and you stumbled on the right channel. Bat Collab is here to tell you today. Now, feel free to post your questions and comment. Let's get started. You may have tried to start numerous businesses and spend a lot of money getting started and still have not reaped the results you wanted. We know that. We had a lot of clients who come in here and they were like that. They were just like you until we switched them over. They spend money and they're like, look, I spend money. I bought the product. I got a manufacturer. I have my name on it and it's not working. What's going on? Tell us. We had to let them know you're wasting your money. We had people say, look, I saw people who they're successful at Shopify. I have a Shopify store. I spend money every month. I pay Shopify every month. Amazon get paid every month. Why I'm not making millions? Why? We said, hey, you're in the wrong type of business. This is 2022. Do you know that? It's the wrong type of business. You have stores closing all around you, products not selling, you're wasting your money. And it's not because it's COVID. See, one of the things that's going on, the pandemic has opened doors for a lot of companies. Now, you have to remember that something that worked for someone else won't necessarily work for you. What is the key ingredient you're missing? It's not because you can't sell or your product just not good enough. That's not why. Numerous people made it, but you got to understand the niche is not for everybody. You want the business that's going to make you succeed. There's a business that's never out of style. That's never out of style. Everyone makes money in different way. Now, Shopify, Amazon, Walmart, having GoDaddy, a business on GoDaddy, all of those are all great company. But remember, those companies provide something. They have their own business type. You pay them, you set up websites, but you still have to do the work. Now, you see people, they're eating money. People throwing money away lavishly. They're showing you, look, I have a private jet. I have a nice car. You're looking like, wait a minute. If that person can do it, I can do it. You got to remember, some of it is just a gimmick. Okay? Some of it is just a gimmick. A lot of it is true, but some is just a gimmick. Some is just a gimmick. And everything that's for someone else, I always hear, and my dad, Caleb always tell me, it's like, what's for everyone there is not for you. And you have to know that. The wrong type of business will have you just wasting money and just having that whole 360 just going around. You're just going around in circles. And every year you make a New Year resolution and you're like, I am not making any money. What is it? You cry for help, you pay people, you do things, money going out, nothing coming in. What does, I must ask you, Grubhub, Instacart, Uber, Lyft, Airbnb, all those companies, what do they have in common? Take a moment and think. See, When clients come to us and they ask questions, we ask questions back. You have to think, what do these companies have in common? Do you know yet? Now, in 2022, experts are saying the businesses that's going to skyrocket are oil, gold, auto, services, and housing. Now, real estate, you see people with the nice cars. You want to open an auto dealership. You're going to get into real estate. You're going to sell gold. You're going to what? Get an oil well. What is it? What's the other one that's left? What's the other business that's left that everyone can do? Still waiting. Right now you're like, okay, could you just tell me? I am going to tell you. We are going to tell you. I have it here written down to tell you, but I also want you to think. What is it? Now, are you ready to go down the rabbit hole? Now, it's deep. Are you ready to go down there? Now, once we go, you can't turn back. See, you're missing out on millions. Look at Jeff Bezos. Take a look at Uber. Take a look at all of those companies out there, Airbnb. You ready for the secret? All right, here we go. Yes, we're going to tell you. I'm trying to see if you came up with it yet, but we're going to tell you. You want to know why your product is not selling? You want to know why you're not getting businesses on your site? You want to know why? What is it? What do all these companies have in common? I'm talking about service. You're in the wrong type of business. You need to do a service business. Start a service business. Airbnb provide a service. Food delivery is a service. Dog walking is a service. Customer care, having a call center, being a virtual assistant, being a party planner, fixing, repairing, it's a service. You have to get into the service business. A service business is a company that provides certain professional support to its clients. In these business, the product is not a tangible one. Instead, it is an activity that helps a third party at different areas. So you have to look at your talent. What kind of service? And in the next video, we'll show you some quick, simple ones. But this one is to tell you service. What type of service can you provide? Service businesses are those that provide an activity or the performance of a task with a commercial purpose. These tasks is directed to help a business or individual in subjects such as you can do consulting, accounting, transportation, cleaning, hospitality, service. If you can blow up a balloon, that's a service. Provide a service that people are willing to pay for. So here's your homework. Go write down all your talents on a piece of paper and let us know. What type of service can you provide? Those are the best businesses to start for 2022. You want to be rich 2022? Provide a service. Service. Now in this day of age where you have mobile apps, you can do that stuff virtually. You want to sell a service, not a product. Is Airbnb a product? No, Airbnb is a service. The products or the people homes, apartments. It's a service. Airbnb provides a service. Grubhub service. Uber service. Even Amazon is a service company. It's a service. Come up with something that provides a service. You want to sell a service, not a product. Product, you're alwa's going to have product in shelves. But provide a service. What services can you provide to those companies that sell products? Hair braiding is a service. Hair styling is a service. Service. It's funny because my dad was showing me that this guy, he rent himself out as a service. Not in anything bad. It's like where he's like people companion. He just sits there and get paid. That's a service. Home LT service. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, watch the next video, and we will let you know what to do next. Thank you.